the holy crap road. And in case you didn't see my last video in which I explained, then I am house sitting for some family here on Maui for a week, and I'm driving their car, and they live down this dirt road here. I'm going on a different adventure today. Yesterday I went to Lahaina, and today I'm going to go to some waterfalls. Twin Falls they're called. They sound really cool, and there's quite a bit to see there, like several different falls and pools and stuff. So here we go. And it's a beautiful day in Hawaii. Getting some nice sunshine today, and some clouds, of course. It's always a bit of everything every day in Hawaii usually. Rain, clouds, warm sunshine, snow, sleet, hail, volcanoes, tornadoes, hurricanes, typhoons, tsunamis. Sometimes. Actually, it does snow in Hawaii, actually, on the top of Mauna Kea on the Big Island, because it's up at 14,000 feet, so I wasn't lying there. Not sure about tornadoes, but there have been hurricanes. Here you can see it up ahead, Hana, 39 miles, which doesn't sound all that far, but up ahead the road gets super curvy, and I looked on my Google Maps and it said an hour and 45 minutes one way to go 39 miles, so we'll see, maybe do it tomorrow. It sure is super lush here. If you saw my video going to Lahaina, then it is very different. Obviously it is a lot drier there. This is more like full-on jungle here. Amazing how you can drive 20 miles or something in Hawaii in a completely different climate. Twin Falls. It is open until 3:45 in the afternoon, so got to get here before that. And a fruit stand here. Banana pineapple smoothie for $5, and it is free to go check out the falls here. Apparently there are quite a few different trails and waterfalls, and you can just kind of get lost hiking around and not even know that you've missed some of the most awesome stuff unless you poke around enough. So I will definitely try to explore as much as I can here, and I guess people live back in here. We'll see if we see any houses, and this is actually the road up to the houses, as I understand from reading online. Amazing rainforest here, and a trail down to the creek. People swimming down there. This is a pretty ultimate spot. Wish it were a little hotter. It is getting overcast, but of course that could change any minute. Are you guys experienced?
Are we experienced? At what?
Oh, it says warning, experienced hikers only.
Oh, good.
You look plenty experienced.
Thank you. Yeah, you do too. You're a backpacker.
Yep, exactly. I'm ready for anything. And so I thought that sign back there said, no trespassing, do not enter. But it turns out it is the start of the more intense hike, so that is awesome. I wanted to do some more walking, so we will see where this goes. I think there will be more waterfalls, pools, whatever, but I'm up for stretching my legs and seeing more of the jungle. And so this is the little town of Haiku. Not really a town exactly, but a shopping square here with, as you can see, a local arts and crafts store. And then there are all these food carts. Here you got fish tacos. They also make chicken and veggie tacos. I got tacos there a few days ago, really good. And then here's some more food carts. Here we got Indian food, and I got Indian food the last time. And so I'm going to keep going in this direction and go for the Mediterranean. Gyro, kafta, kebab, falafel, shawarma. So I just gotta make up my mind what I want. Chicken salad, gyro plate, gyro sandwich, falafel sandwich, $13.99 for shrimp garlic plate, gyro or chicken salad, $13.99. About the same prices as over there was 13 bucks for a curry, and I spent $13 on 2 big tacos. I'll have the gyro platter.
Gyro platter?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I got a gyro plate with gyro meat, pita bread, salad, hummus. And
and I'm going to take this back to the house and eat it there. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this adventure to a waterfall here in Maui, Hawaii. See you.